What's that? Hey. Who are you?
Oh, hello. Can you help me? I need to get home and go to bed because I don't feel very well at all.
Oh, no.
Oh, so you can't help me at all?
Actually, yes, I can. Maybe.
Okay. What's your name?
Beardy.
Beardy? You haven't got a beard.
No. Birdie. I scare birdies.
Okay, Birdie. So can you help me?
Right. Let's step over here. You see those buttons? Actually, you'll find that they're called context sensitive. And, well, actually, they press B.
Press B.
Oh, yeah. The light comes on. And it makes this noise ting. Right, a ting noise. Guys, ting. Look, ting. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll press B. Oh.
I don't mind if I do.
So, what does that mean?
It means contact sensitive. It's sensitive to contacts. Try over there.
Okay.
Or you could try it again.
Really nice eating.
Don't mind if I do. Very, very much. I'm gonna go to bed now. Nay.